Alright, so today we're going to make butter slime, right? Purple butter slime. Yay! So, to make purple butter slime, we are going to need 1 cup or 8 ounces of Elmer's glue or just regular clear glue that we're using. Could be white glue or clear glue, it does not matter.
Ooh, wow, this eye straight up.
Let's do that. Get the stuff out of there.
Now you need to up it. Use now. Yay.
Thank you for joining us and making purple butter slime with us. We absolutely loved it because purple is our favorite color. Don't forget, when you're done playing with your slime, make sure you keep it in a sealed airtight container because that will allow your slime to last the longest. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share and like our videos.
T-H-K-I-N. This is the Munchkin World. Yeah, it's the Munchkin World. You're watching